all of you, left shift operator is completed. Left shift operator is completed. Okay, right. So let us move to the right shift operator. So let me show you the last class operators. This is our operators discussion is going on. All types of operators are going on. So when all types of operators are there, I will upload these operators to you completely. Okay, Nama? Right. So let us move to the already we completed operators, logical operators, relational operators, arithmetic operators, all those things as completed. All those things as completed. Okay, ma'am? Right. Now I am going for right shift operator. I am going to take right shift operator. So example also done. Last and final, let me ask you some small example here. Small example I am asking. Answer my questions. Print of 4 double less than 2. What is the answer, ma? Come on, quickly. Right. Formula also I told you. The answer is 4 into 2 square. That is called 16. 4 into 2 square. That is called 16. Right. Very good. Perfect. Perfect response is coming. So nowadays becoming right. Now I am saying that 16 into 2. Come on, next. Come on, fast. Answer, please. Come on, ma. 16 into 2. Praveen Kumar, check your answer, ma. 64. Last and final. Print of 40 double less 40 left shift operator 0. What is the answer, ma? Answer. Chinni. Be careful, ma. 40 into 2 to the power of 0. Next I am asking. Be careful. 20 double less than -4. Come on. Very good. Error. This is called error. Because negative shift count is not possible. Error, ma. Prasanna. Excellent. Value error. Negative shifting is not possible. Negative shifting the bits is not possible. You just mention it, ma. You just mention already. You have written the diagrammatic representation. Not applicable. Very good. Not applicable. Now I am going for right shift operator. Subheading you right, ma. Subheading right shift operator. Right shift operator. Second operator called right shift operator. Right shift operator. Symbol is changing. Concept is same. Right shift operator. Syntax. Look at all of you. So you only tell me. I am just moving forward. Syntax I am just writing. Watch it. Resultant variable res variable is equal to writing given number less than, that is called a double greater than number of bits. And here given number can be positive or negative, and the number of bits must be positive, because negative number of bits but not negative, because negative number of bits cannot be shifted. Negative number of bits cannot be shifted. This is a syntactical point. Now let us consider the example. All of you carefully observe it, ma. Now I'll go for paintbrush. Now I'll go for paint screen. First I will show you, before showing the big diagram, I'll show you the normal diagram where you can understand me quickly. So I'm taking here, carefully follow. Now I'm saying command prompt a is equal to 10. Next I am writing res is equal to resultant variable is equal to a double greater than 2 or 3, whatever you like it. So sir, how it is done? When this number is coming, binary number representation I will take it. Binary number representation I am going to represent. binary number representation. So you take how many number of bits you want, you take it. 3 pairwise I will take it. So I'm taking here one part here. I'm taking here, look at that. Next, one more I am taking here, carefully follow. So you take 4 bits or 3 partitions, 4 partitions like that. Now what is the value of this 10? What is the value of 10? Now see ma, 1, 0 and 0 and 1. Sorry, 1 0 1 0. 1 0 1 0 is a binary representation of the value. And here I will write what ma? Here I will write what? 0 0 0 and 0. And here also I will write what? 0 0 0. Here 0 0. This is a number. Okay. Try to understand very carefully here. Try to understand. Now, how many bits we are moving? Because of this, what is happening? How many bits we are moving right side ma? Please tell me how many bits we are just flipping off. All of you should concentrated here. 2 bits means what? Think of it. Now I will take 2 bits means what are flipped off? Tell me, flipping off what? Flipping off, removing what, you tell me. What are that? What is that bits? Tell me ma. 1 is 0 is going out, and next is what is going out? This is going out. These two are going out. Flipped off, because these are very important in written test ma. Important in written test, right? These are flipped off. So when these are flipped off, what is happening? You just see. Same diagram I will draw. Same diagram I am drawing. See that. Understand. Okay. Now here, when these are done, and this side what are we doing? Adding how many zeros? Adding how many zeros? 2 zeros we are adding. Very good. 2 zeros we are adding. Okay. Now see. Once it is flipped off, what will be left out? We will talk about it. What will be left out? So towards right, you are moving by adding 2 zeros left side. Right? Flipped off. So first when you flip off, these 2 will be moving. First of all, these are becoming 0. Tell me, last part is what? 0, 0. Next is called what? 1 and then 0. This is what is happening. And here what is happening? 0, 0, 0 and 0. And these are going to contain what here only? Here what is there? 0 and 0. Here 2 void spaces. Void means what? 2 empty spaces are available here. Filled with what? In these places filled with what? Come on, quickly. Filled with what? Zeros. Filled with zeros. These are called what? Some blanks. So I'm just taking a diagram is there na? Based on that diagram, I'm just talking about this. Right? Now, try to understand a small gap I am giving. So what I should say here? Fill with what? 0. Fill with 0. And here also, next also fill with 0. This is 0. Adding 2 zeros. Here, add 2 zeros. So you already understand, right? Yes ma. Okay. Satyam Sharma. I will upload ma. Today I will upload. No problem. Today I will upload immediately. Don't worry. Class is over. Up to here I will upload. Don't worry. Now convert. Result I want to convert. Convert this number. Convert into what? Decimal number system. Decimal number system. When you convert into decimal number system, what is happening? You just see. Tell me, it is called what? 2 and to the power of 0. 2 to the power of 0. Next is called what? 2 to the power of 1. This is called 2. 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 1. 1. Here it is called what? Here I am writing 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 I am taking, and now here 2 to the power of 3 also I am taking, 2 to the power of 3 also I am taking, right? 3 also I am taking, 3. Now tell me, these are all called 0. What is an output, ma'am? What is an output? 0 into 2 cube, 0. 0 into 2 square, 0. 1 into 2 to the power of 1, 2. 2 plus what? 0 into 2 to the power of 0 is 0. That is equal to answer is what? 2. So system dot out dot, I will say print of res is equal to, the answer is called 2. Sir, what is the formula, sir? Shortcut formula I am telling ma. Formula. Everybody must watch this ma. Watch this. Write it down. What is that? Result is equal to given number by divided by, I am saying that divided by mathematics divided by 2 to the power of number of given bit, number of bits. It is equal to what? Number of given number in Python language if you want. Given number double slash 2 to the power of what? Number of bits. And now take this formula. Related to formula, you take it. What is our result, ma? Tell me. Print of A, that is called 10 double greater than 2, right shift operator. What is that answer, ma? 10 slash 2 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 means what? 2 to the power of 2, which is nothing but what? 10 by what? 10 double slash by 4, which is equal to what? What is the result? 2 is the result. Dear students, is my explanation is clear for everybody? Did you understand, ma'am? Please confirm. Very good. 3.9, check it out. A is equal to 10. Please, B is equal to A double greater than 2. See here, print of B. Result is called what? 2. Right? Yes, ma. I will repeat. Once again, print of 20 double greater than 3. Please answer. Formula you follow. 20 double greater than 3. Harshita, repeat. Listen, ma. Formula I told you. 2 to the 10 to. What is the formula? 20 by 2 cube. 20 by 2 cube. Double slash. What is the answer? 2. Next I will take print. I will take it as what? I will take it as 100 of 2. 100 double greater than 2. Come on, quickly. Excellent. Everybody is giving fast like anything. Answer is coming like anything. Yes. Harshita, look at ma. It's 25. How? 100 by 2 square. 100 by 2 square is called what? 4. Come on now. I am writing print of minus 2 double greater than 4. Come on, all of you. Yes, Hemanath. See guys, what you are saying. Minus 2 double greater than 4. Where are you guys? Right? Now you see carefully. Syntax you see. Given number, you are thinking something different. Given number is what? See, the answer is minus 1. You are thinking in different way. Given number, you see, the answer you see. Here given number can be positive or negative. Both of them can be allowed. Number of bits can be positive only. Where are you, ma? Be careful, be careful. All of them, once you started error, others also saying error. Where are you? To see that result, how the result is coming, ma, please careful. So here, what is my number of bits here? Number of bits moving 4. Is it 4 negative or positive? All of you tell me. Negative or positive? Positive. Positive allowed or not allowed? Positive allowed or not allowed? Who said wrong answer? You said all of you. Allowed or not allowed? No, allowed. Then number can be negative or positive. I told you number can be positive or negative. Minus 2 by, what is that answer? Minus 2 by, what is that? Double slash 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 means what? 2 to the power of 4 means what? 16. What is that is coming? So it is going to give you that result. Yes. So next I will write 32 of 4. 32 of 4. Answer please. Answer please. Everybody. 32 by 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but what? 16. 32 by 16. 32 by 16. What is the result? 2. Now, this is what we did. Let me show you one of the examples I prepared for you. Bitwise operators, right shift operator I will show you. Right shift operator I will show you. Like yesterday's diagram, I will show you the right shift operator. Look at that, how this diagram is important, prepared for you. See the diagram. See the diagram here. See, given number, represent diagrammatic representation of right shift operator. 14. 14 means what? 14. 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 bits. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 14 binary representation is 1110. 1110. Now coming to right shift, perform. Now I am saying example here. Example I am saying. See the example here, what you are getting? Example. Example. What is that example here, Amma? 14 double greater than, what is that? 1. 1. What is happening? You see. Right side you see shifting the bits. Diagram you see shifting the bits. Arrows, shifting. When I shift it, last 0 is gone. What is that? It is filled with empty boxes marked as 0. Here I will write 0. Only one value you are shifting now, that is 0. Now what is the binary format of this? Convert 1 1 1 1. Result is called 7. According to our formula, you count 14 by how much, ma? 14 by Sanjay Kumar Reddy, please leave it, ma. I will explain that. Binary number I will tell you, don't worry. First start. 14 by 2 to the power of 1. How much? It is called 7. Result is called 7 here. We got the result 7. Now coming to the next, another example also we are doing. Second example, 14 double greater than 2. What is the 14 double greater than 2? 14 only. That value, shift 2 bits, 2 flipped. So marked, this is 0 and this is 0. 2 bits going means what? 1 1 is available, 1 1. 14 by 4. 14 by 4, integer data, not single slash, ma, double slash. What coefficient is coming? What coefficient? Sadik, what is that, ma? Double slash will give you integer coefficient, that is called 3. Go to the place of here. See, 14 double greater than 2. What is the answer? 3. It is as good as similar to what? 14 double by 4. Double by 4. What is that is giving? What is this is giving? 3. It is 14 by 2 square. It is called 4. 14 by 4 is called what? 3. Right? So, negative number binary conversion, wait. I am coming to complement operator na. There you will get it. Nothing to worry about it. Now you say minus 4, you say minus 14. Minus 14 by 2. What is an answer? What is the answer is coming? -4. And wait up to I get the 14 value. Up to get the 14 value, wait. Nothing to worry about that. I said yesterday only complement operator I will come. There I will talk about it. Okay, na? Nothing to worry. Now coming to this right shift operator concept, I will write it. Concept I am writing. What is the concept I am giving here? Let us watch. Here, left shift operator shifts the specified number of bits of a given number to what this side, to the left, and fills zeros on voids and left as result. This is little this is hi-fi sentence. Instead of that, you can also write this operator shifts the specified number of bits towards left side by adding number of zeros that is equal to the number of bits at right side. This I will write it. This I will copy, and here I will adjust my statement. Concept. This operator shifts the number of bits towards which side? Towards which side? Right side. Towards right side by adding what? Number of zeros that is equal to the number of bits at which side? Which side? Left side. This is a concept. After that, we will go for diagrammatic representation of that. Diagrammatic representation of that, we will write it. First of all, confirm once, is it clear? Except negative numbers you will leave it to me. Negative numbers you will leave it to me. Other things you tell me. Negative numbers is not a big deal, ma. I will take care. Please confirm. Confirm it. Yes. So formula also clear for you. Is the formula also clear? Formula. Very good. Nice. Now write down. Right shift operator you write down. Write down, ma. Clearly write it. Syntax also written. There you specify. There you specify. Clearly write down. Sadiq Sheikh. Simple, ma. I took what? Pair distribution. I took how many pairs? 3. Actually, your number 14. 14 is containing how many digits? 1, 1, 1, 0. Suppose you take 25. It is going to come how many binary bits? More than 4 will come, na? More than 4 will come or not? That time where it will come? It will move to second partition. Jyotirmai, I told you shifting operation only, ma, so far. See that? See this operator. This operator shifts specified number of bits towards right side by adding specified number of bits at zeros at which side? Left side. Again I will show you. Plus first write down this. Negative shift I told you, Nama. I will explain that. Negative number is very, very simple. Let me come to the complement operator. I'll come to that. Why you are just worrying about it? I will explain. Na? I told you already. If I don't want to explain, I will not touch that example at all. Mr. Durga Prasad, you read my notes thoroughly first. You read my notes. Perfectly you read. You refer any website. Refer any website. Any website you refer, which is not going to match even with our notes, even 30% also. Because I am referring python.org documentation and we are talking about the class. If you take this other than that python.org, they are not going to be they are not going to contain so many so many topics. So many examples will not be covered. So first read our notes thoroughly. That is more than enough. You are successful 90%. And one more good news I got it. To our students, there is a separate drive conducted. Separate drives we are conducting. Python as well as Java. Python as well as Java. Guaranteed. That is called 100% guaranteed program. I got just now morning message only. I just want to share with you. Very shortly. Yes, all students, ECE, mechanical, all types of students. Guaranteed drive. Provided you must have at least 75% attendance in my class. Attendance in the sense I told you already. Santosh Reddy, don't take like that, ma. Don't imagine like that. Don't imagine like that, ma. Right. So let us go to the diagrammatic representation. Subheading you write it. Diagrammatic representation of right shift operator. Take this diagram. Diagrammatic representation of right shift operator. Take this carefully. I'm not seeing your chart window, ma, please. I'm just concentrating on my typing. Doubts will be last 15 minutes. I'll concentrate. Please don't type any doubts. Last 15 minutes we allocated. Write this diagram carefully. Yes, ma. Karthik. Karthik, I have complete information, ma. Just now afternoon only I got a message from topmost authorities for our special students. For our students, we are going to conduct a special drives. We are in the Python batch conducting. Definitely, we are going to. We are going to. So, because most of the people are there in our batches, most of them. So, we are going to do that. Please, you need to do what? So don't think that sir is there, sir will take care. Sir is there along with you in front, but who need to face the interview? Karthik has to face, Nagendra Kumar has to face, Bilal has to face, Kunal has to face. Compulsory. First, Ashish Kumar, package later we will do it. Ma. Package is what? First, improve the subject. Package, Lakshmi Devi. To get the good package, Lakshmi Devi, you have to pray, you have to pray, you have to do Diksha for Saraswati Devi. You have to do Saraswati Devi. Prabhat. Yes, everybody. Saraswati Devi means education. First, education is there with you. Automatically, everybody will come. All students eligible, ma. BCom students, BSc students, everybody, ma. Everybody. Please, please, let me come to that. Let me come to. Once we doing the Python for our batch of Python students, we are going to conduct. We are going to conduct very shortly because I need to complete my Python course. I will complete it. Then we will be conducting. Especially you will. Yes, ma. Reddy Chinna. Thank you, ma. Kevirao sir class. Never after, ever before. Thank you. You are using Mahesh Babu dialogue. Yes. Any company, ma. Any company. Most of them are preferring our batch students. Most of them. Because our company, our previous students are there in previous companies. They are referring, they are coming to, they are preferring both Java as well as this. I will tell you, ma, Ajay Shahu, don't worry, ma. Don't worry. It's our success. Even in afternoon, after listening that message, even after listening that message, even I did not take lunch also because that only will give full digesting for me. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Satyam Sharma. Your things are making me very happy. And by seeing that message, I felt very happy because our students are only conducting the drive means I really felt very happy. It is all coming because of you people placed in good companies. You are only recommending go to that place. Kevra sir batch students are there. Not only for Python, Java also. Right, ma'am. So please practice well. I am there with you. Please practice well. Okay. Thank you. So is it over? First we will improve our subject. Really it's a great news, good news for me, which I received afternoon from the topmost authority of everybody. Right. Yes, ma. All types of inform to friends also. Inform to friends also. Yes. Inform to friends also. Yes. Right. So come on. Next I will go for yes, ma. Next, is the diagram is finished? Please confirm, mama. Diagram is over. Yes. Good. Now let us move to the next operator. Next operator. Right. Next operator we will move. Right. Negative binary representation of negative number. I will tell you, ma. Please don't worry. I am there with you. I am there with you. I will take 24 hours class for you only. Don't worry. I said na, I will take it. Next, one more operator we will start. Start. Next operator is AND operator. We will take it. First, I will go for covering this bitwise operator. I will cover the XOR because the interviewer is very much appreciating when you go for this. Let me cover fifth one, which is most interesting. Let me cover the difficult one first. Write down somebody. XOR. Let me cover XOR first. Write down. XOR. Fifth one I will cover. Because you are fresh. When the class is going increasing, your battery is getting down. That's why when your battery is having full recharging, I want to tell this subject. XOR. Look at that. How this XOR is working. Syntax I am going to talk first. Syntax. Look at syntax is result is equal to what I'm saying, variable 1, the cap symbol, that is XOR symbol, variable 2, res is equal to variable 1 XOR variable 2. Sir, what is this XOR says, sir? What is this XOR that cap symbol says, sir? This is another concept. So there also okay, formula for right shift. Okay, ma, I forget that. Formula for right shift. Okay, 1 minute I will tell you the formula for right shift. Okay, that is also important. Write down, ma, formula you write down. Dear students, please don't mind. I will go to right shift formula. There only you write it, ma. Formula for just for a minute. So in over exciting, I am going for another topic by forgetting this. Please don't mind. Sorry for that. Come to that. Formula for right shift operator. Right shift operator. Right shift operator. Formula for right shift operator. Right. There we are going to. What is that? Result is equal to, just for in general you write, result is equal to number, that is given number you write it. Given number, I am writing given number. Double greater than number of bits. Number of bits. This is a syntax na formula. Now formula. There only you write it. Result is equal to, this is called a syntax mode, is equal to given number into that is called what? Divided by, I can say this one divided by mathematics symbol I am talking, 2 to the power of number of bits, 2 to the power of number of bits, or ORR, I am saying ORR, writing. In Python I am talking. In Python, what you need to tell, you know, given number by given number, double slash, you know, double slash, 2 to the power of number of bits, to the power of number of bits. This is a formula. If you want example, print of 10 double greater than of 2, the result is called 10 by 4. 10 by 4 in the sense, if anybody is getting doubt, Harshita, you asked about it. I think I think that name is right. 10 by 4, which is equal to slash 4, that is equal to 2, not to 2.5, ma, not to 2.5. Okay, ma, Harshita, okay. Beginning when it is not getting clear, don't get tense, because I will repeat that. Now it's clear for you. Yes. Then, mom, after finishing that, Nikhil, ma, double greater than will give you what? Double slash will give you what, ma? 2.5, Nikhil, K. Double slash will give you what coefficient, ma, Nikhil? Double slash will give you which coefficient? Integer coefficient it will give you. Only integer value. Nikhil, please take care, ma. Single slash will give you, single slash will give you float coefficient. Double slash will give you. Sagar Kishore, my voice is so clear, ma. You check, you rejoin again. Okay, Nikhil, okay, got it, very nice. So operators we discussed already, nice. Now I am going for one more kind of operator. What is that? We'll go for that. We will go for it. Now let us come to one more example you want, right? Let us go to the print of something like 20 double greater than of 3. Answer please. Answer please. Directly. Tell me fast. 2 to the power 2 by 2 cube. 2 cube means what? 20 double slash by what? 2 cube means what? 8. 2 cube means 8. 20 by 8. How much is an answer? How much is an answer? 2 is an answer. 2 is an answer. 2 is an answer. Right? Already done. I hope that it is clear. Dasu Rachana, negative number I told so many times so far you. So many times I told you Dasu Rachana. Negative numbers I said so many times. Again you are asking the same. Okay. So what can I say? I don't know. I will tell you that. Right. Next, move to the another operator. Another operator, that is bitwise XOR. You take it. Bitwise XOR. I am taking bitwise XOR. I am taking. Right? Just carefully try to follow. What is the bitwise operator will follow? What is this operator will follow? Just I am going to tell you this. Similar bits, concept I am saying, try to follow. Similar bits of VAR1 and VAR2 is 0. Similar. Yes, ma. Is my voice is clear for everybody? Is my voice is clear? Magya Reddy, please rejoin, ma. Everybody saying it's clear. Voice is clear, ma. Okay, ma. Okay. Right. Similar bits of VAR1, VAR2 is 0. The time. Once again, I am repeating. Similar bits of VAR1, VAR2 is 0. Concept simple. Dissimilar bits of VAR1 and VAR2 is 1. Yes, I will give you chance. First listen. What is the best question is coming in interview point of view? How interviewer is just a twisting. You can't imagine it. Now you understand. Table I will show you. See the table 1. Don't write anything. VAR1, VAR2 and VAR1 cap symbol VAR2. VAR1 cap symbol VAR2. What are that values you see? 0 and next is called 0. 0. Next is called what? Let me prepare the pairs. 1 and then 0. 1, 0. Next I am saying 0 and next is called what? 1, 1. Next I am taking 1 and then 1. Then answer you start. Now answer you start. What is an answer? What is that answer? See the formula. Similar bits of VAR1, VAR2 is what? 0. Now tell me 0, 0. 0, 0, please, all of you freshly. 0. 1, 0. 1, 0, all of you. Very good. 1, very nice. 0, 1. 0, 1. Yes, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. 0. Done. Done. Now I will go for examples are. See the examples are. Careful. Example. Beautiful example I will give you. First normal example you see. Normal example. Here I am writing A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Ah, yes ma. Sheila Makila. This is called truth table. Truth table for XOR. Truth table for XOR. I am writing truth table. I don't write it. First listen until I made you to understand very one fine example. Truth table for XOR. Truth table for XOR. See, I'm taking like this. Truth table for XOR. Come on. A is equal to 4. What is the binary representation of this 4 ma? 0, 1, 0, 0. Yes or no? A is equal to 4. Binary representation. B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. What is the binary representation? What is the binary representation? 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1. And 1. Ah, yes ma. T.S. Gupta. Yes. Now, I will say, see the result. Or otherwise, I will say C is equal to A cap B. A cap B. A cap B. Answer I want to find out. Answer. See that answer. Do the calculation. Do the calculation, amma. All of you. Calculation, please. There. Tell me. Do the calculation. First pair. Left side first start with right side or left side. What? 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. And 0, 1, 1. What is the result, please? Result, please. 7. I will say print of C. Result is called 7. Result is called 7. 7 this is. There is no formula, ma. Please remember. One more example I am doing. Just wait it. Just wait. See that now. A is equal to 14. 14. B is equal to 15. Now I am writing C is equal to A XOR of B. Now tell me 14 is what? 1 1 1 0. I will take 1 1 1 0. What is the B? What is the B? What is that? 1 1 1 1 1. Now I will go for result calculation, please. Come on, ma. I will do the calculation. What is the calculation, please? Start. 0 0 0 1, which is equal to what? What is the answer, please? 1 into 2 to the power of 0. It is called 1. So print the result. Now print of what? C, which is going to give you what? Answer is 1. Answer is 1. Answer is 1. Are you understanding? Right. Dear students, let me come to the one important thing. I will take it. Okay, let me show you in the Python. Please careful, watch it. One important thing I am going to show you. Everybody must follow with me. Everybody must follow. Whether you remembered or not, see, print of A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. Print of directly C is equal to A cap B. Print of C. What is the answer, ma? 7. See that answer 7 here. Next, directly they will ask you print of 14, 14 cap 15. They will ask you like this. What is the answer, Amma? 1. 1. Dear students, please look at one important point. Set 1 is equal to, I am taking 10 comma 20 comma 20 comma 30 30 30. Next, S2 is equal to 20 comma 30 comma 40 40 40. Now I will say S3 is equal to S1 dot symmetric underscore difference of S2 print of what? S3. What is the answer? I got it. Symmetric difference. What is the symmetric difference? 20, 30. Already explained in our classes. That is left out elements in both the places. 10, 40. I got it. Do you remember this part or not? Do you remember or not, ma? Right. Now you see S4 is equal to S1 XOR of S2. Print of S4. See the answer here. That time I used this operator, whether you remembered or not. What is this now? 40, 10. So, symmetric difference. Sir, symmetric difference is what? Remove the common elements from both the places and print the remaining elements. That is done with what? Symmetric difference. Same thing I can do with what? XOR operator also. Sir, let us explain what is XOR operator, sir. Start. All of you remember. Start how it is working internally. 10. Is 10 is going to present anywhere else here? 10 means what? Take for example one bit, 1 you take it. Is it have the same element here? Come on, mom. No. No means what? 0 na 1 na? 0 na 1 na? No element, mom. No element. When no element means 1 na 0 na? So first of all, clear it once again. Stop it. Stop that. No. Stop it, all of you. Stop it. Whenever I say start. First start with what? 10. 10 you see. 10. Don't take any binary form. Just I am telling you how it is working. 10 means you take your side. 1 you take it. 1. That means element found means 1. Okay na? Element is there na? 1. Is that element found in S2? No. No means what? 0. Is that element found in that S2? No. No means what? 0. Now, earlier that element is 10. 10 and 0. 1 and 0 is what? 1 and 0 is what? Exclusive. 1. 1 means what is coming? 10 is coming. You see. 10 is coming. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Getting or not? Yes. Once again, sir. Once again, sir. Once more, sir. Once more, sir. 10. 10 means what? Element is there. What is the value? What is the value? No confusion. Until you understand, I will go on teaching. I will enter into your brain. I will enter into your brain. What is that? 10 is there. Means what? 1 bit. Is the 10 is present in second set? Is the 10 present in second bit? No. No means what? 0. 1 and 0. 1 and 0 is what? 1. 1 means what is the value? You understood? 10 is carried. See the result? How beautiful example. Beautiful. Understand or not? Second. Now second element you take it. 20. 20. What is 20? 20. 20 is there or not there? 1. That is called 1. 1. 1. Is it present in the 20 into second set? Yes. That means 1 and 1. 1 and 1. 1 and 1 is what? 1 and 1 is means 0. Don't take that element. That's why 20 is not there. 1 and 1 is 0. Yes. 1 and 1 is 0. That's why 20 is not coming. See how beautiful. Next 30. 30 is 30 means 1. 1 is the 30 present here? Yes, that is 1 1. 1 1. This one no, this 30. 1 1. 30 30. 0. 30 is not there. 30 is not there. Very good. I compared every element with the second element set. Now you start. Second element you start. 20. 1. Is 20 present in first set? What is that? 1 1 0. 1 1 0. Are you understanding? Got it. 30. 1. Is that 30 present in first set? Yes, sir. What is that pair? What is that pair? You tell me. Pair. 1 1. What is that 1 1? What is that 1 1? 0. That's why 30 is not coming. Next 40. 40. Is 40. 40 is what? 1. 40 is what? 1. Is the 40 present in that places? No. What is that pair? What is that pair then? 1 0. What is the result? 1. That's why 40 is coming. Are you understanding, Amma? Are you understanding or not? Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy, sir. Dead easy, sir. Simple, ma. Very nice. So, where are we applying? In sets. In sets, we will apply symmetric difference purpose. We will apply. Right. Let me show you one more beautiful example. Yes. Now I am telling. One point I am going to say. Take special case. Special case. That special case I am writing for your understanding level. I am keeping one dash. For your answer I am saying ma. Dash. I am giving. Student should fill up this. Student should fill up. Yes. Yes, ma. Asrita. Very nice, ma. Then yes. That's why interdata type binary number systems we need to learn. Now all the students, please. I am telling one special case. See, this is a dash. You need to tell, ma. This you need to tell. You need to tell. You need to tell. Let us case. Example I am telling. See a beautiful question. Because this type of questions are coming in interviews, ma. This type of questions only will come in interviews. Come on, start. Yes, ma. We can use symmetric update difference. Symmetric update difference. Wherever these symmetric differences are coming, you try to apply. Let us come to this. Let us come to once again. A is equal to 4. B is equal to, carefully observe. Here I will take in paintbrush, that is better for you. You can understand more better. Instead of here, you can understand more better. Or no problem here itself. B is equal to 3. Okay. Now, what is the value of A? 4. Now here I am writing original value of A. Original value of A. All of you, Kunal, understand? Is equal to 4. Original value of A. Original value of what is that? Original value of B is equal to 3. You keep in mind. Now coming to that. Now I am writing binary value. What is the binary value? Binary value of that A. What is the binary value? 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. What is the binary value of B? 3, 0, 0. I said 0, 0, 1. I said 1. And next is called what? 1. Now I am talking. Add them. Now I am saying, pay carefully follow. A is equal to A cap B, ma. A cap B. What is the answer is coming? 0, 1, 1. Now what is that? 0. What is the answer that time? That is called what? What is an answer? Okay, binary number is called 100 ma. This is called 1. This is called, result is called 7. What is the value of A now? What is the value of A? What is the value of A? Yes ma, written, corrected. What is the value of A? All of you tell me. What is the value of A? 7. Okay na? Up to that you keep it. Next time writing B is equal to A cap B. A cap B. Come on, what is the value of A? What is the value of A? 0, 1, 1, 1 only, 7. Now B value I am writing, B value, A cap B. B value I am saying. What is the B value? 0, 1. B value is what? 3 na? 0, 1 and 1. Now do that operation. Do that operation. What is the result? 0, 1, 0, 0. What is that 1000? What is that 1000? It is called what value? 4. 4. Which is the value of what? B. Are you getting me? B. It is becoming B. Actually, it is a value of what? It is a value of what? A. It is shifted to B. Now you write A is equal to, once again, A cap B. A cap B. Do again. What is the value of A? 0, 1, 1, 1. What is the value of B? What is the value of B? 4. 4 means what? 0, 1, 0, 0. What is the result is coming? What is the result is coming? Result is coming here as. So, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Result is called what? 3, which I am keeping in where? A. Now print AB. Print away AB. Print of A, which is printing 3. Printing 3. Print of B. Print of B, which is printing what? 4. What is this logic called? What is this logic called? What is this logic called, ma? Very good. So this is the logic which you are getting in interview point of view. This is known as what? Swapping of numbers. Swapping of numbers. You need to tell this. This is swapping of numbers. By using which operator we applied? Which operator we applied? XOR. XOR. This is a way how you can do it. Is the XOR operator is clear or not clear? Is XOR operator is clear or not? Oh, very good. Very nice. So, yes, ma, very clear explanation. Very good. Thank you. Now write down. Write down the part of it. Bitwise operator, XOR. Write down. Bitwise operator is there. Write down, ma. Yes, ma. Karthik, thank you, ma. Write down. Yes, ma. Mohammed Sheikh, good, ma. Thank you. Write down. Remember this. Remember this. Chiran Reddy, what I am saying, ma? Which scenarios you will use means what are the scenarios I am saying, ma? Swapping is one scenario. Symmetric difference is one scenario. Are you not understanding? Is it not scenarios? Yes, ma. Shivakumar. Yes, ma. I am really appreciating your comments, ma. I am also lucky to have your batch. Shivakumar is saying that really our batch members are so much lucky for getting a mentor or guide like you, sir. Thank you, ma. And from the bottom of my heart, I'll be always with you, and you are always with me. We are all both of them are lucky because from the last 23 years onwards, any batch I take, it's my special selfishness. My student should be number one in my subject. That is my selfishness. I have to work for my students. Yes, ma. First you write the concept, you write down, ma. Concept you write. First concept get it. Special cases we will go for it. Yes, ma. Dilip Kumar, write down. Very nice. Syntax you write it. Concept you write it. Truth table you write. Up to that it is called concept. From the concept you go for it. Akila, not only motivating a mom, I am giving full subject for you. That is only you are motivating. Motivation is not only enough. Full subject is important. That is important. With my subject, still let me enter into the further programming. You will enlighten with like anything. Yes. Write down. Yes, mom. Write clearly. Left side statements, right side binary representation. That's what I'm saying. When you are enlightening with this subject, please tell to your friends. Make them to get this good knowledge. Change their mind. Instead of getting some different thing where they are unable to get it, let us make our people to be getting employed by going for a good trainer. Let us make our surroundings to be good employed persons. Inform to many friends. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Nagarjuna. Nagaraju, yes. Ma Vijay Kumar, how to find binary value, ma? I told you na beginning days, ma. Vijay Kumar, decimal number system, decimal number system. How do you convert number systems, octal number system, decimal number system, all those things, na? I told you beginning days, if you remember. Vijay Kumar, if you want, na, evening 6 o'clock, today we are starting the data types, ma. Vijay Kumar, you can attend that batch, ma. There we are talking about binary number system. Into data type I am talking. 6 o'clock, ma. 6 o'clock into data type I am talking, ma. Okay, Kunal, Kaushal, you can do with bin, ma, but you want manual operation. Manually how to do it, I will tell in that class, ma. You please attend that. Yes, ma. Kila, good. Aditya, you try to contact in the office, ma. Try to contact in the office to get the 6 p.m. link, ma. One more example. Truth table is over. Example 1, example 2. Now swapping. Because this is a very frequently asked question, ma. Base 17, no, ma. Base 17. Do you have any base 17? Satyam Sharma. Do you have any base 17 number, ma? Right, mom. 16 only. We have 16 only. Raj Kamal, very good, ma. You are getting good confidence in programming, right? Feel it. Tell to many people. Satyam Sharma, base 17. Maybe it's printing mistake, ma. That is convert to any base 16, base 16, I think. So please refer your question once and we will post it next also. No problem. Raj Kamal, you continue that, ma. Yes. Special case, swapping of numbers. Seven is the value of A because we are placing A cap B, you are keeping in A itself. Namrata, you are okay. You are offline student, Maharashtra, but currently staying here only. Okay, Namrata, better to say here only, ma. Better to say here only. Why? Because what I am saying is because we don't know when this offline classes will start because the government is not given any such type of things, ma. So please try to understand and still stay some time. Then we can think of it. Maybe it takes some few days only. I think so. Even I can't say strictly when this will be taken up. Satish Kumar, I don't have the number, ma. I don't have the link details. Please contact in office, ma. Contact in office only. It's better. Satyam Sharma, you have the number, you have Google Drive link, na? In that you try to post at your level. I will see that. Because if you are posting here, so many messages are scrolled up. I cannot see your message properly, ma. Take this swapping logic clearly. Amjad, here I am taking, you can take even suppose here is 100, you can take 100, no problem. Just I am taking 10 left side, that saying that left side no values are there. Amjad, just I am taking left side 1 0. Actually 1 0 0 is enough, but I am taking this left side 0 just to indicate that left side no more values are there. That's why I took it. No problem. So 0 0 3 is there. I can take just only like this, but I am just taking this 0 0 because of just indicating that left side no more values are there. Okay, ma? So do you understand XOR? XOR. Example program. Okay. Example program. Write down. Write a Python program. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will swap two integer values. Which will swap two integer values. Already this program I said with strings data. With the string data, any data it can be done. Write a Python program which will swap integer values. Which will swap two integer values. Right. Let us go to the Python program now. Let us go to the Python program now. Look at that Python. Now I am taking swap value dot py. Now I am taking some x is equal to int of input of, look at that, enter value of x, enter value of x. Now I am writing enter value of y, enter value of y. Right. Now generally we already did in our previous level. Just watch it once. Already programming means you should do like anything. Now I am saying there print original value of x, right? I will write a dot format of x. Now I am saying here original value of y, format of y. I got it. Now swapping logic I will do it. Swapping logic. Original values are printed. Swapping logic. I'm writing comment here. Swapping logic, ma. Swapping logic. What is it? I can do swapping logic. X comma y is equal to y comma x. I already did this type of example. Now we are going to get today something new. X is equal to so many logics are there. Let me show you one logic. Already you did y comma x. Let me show you. Already you did this, but I am showing you once again. Let me show you the number of possibilities here. Swapped value of a. Swapped value. Now I am saying swapped value. Now this thing. Let us save this now code. Let us save this code. Go to this operators of our things. Swap.py. Let us come to this place. Directly go to the command prompt. Let us go directly to the command prompt. Here I am saying cmd. What happens? So let us go to the command prompt. So I am saying f colon say Python AVR 4 PM. There it is operators. There you say py swap. What is that? Swap val dot py. So enter the value of x 1020. I got 2010. This is one logic which we already did. One more logic I am saying, ma. One more logic which we already discussed in the class. One more logic. T is equal to x. X is equal to y. temporary variable x is equal to y, y is equal to t. This is also another logic. This is also another logic. X value 10, y value 20. I got 10, 20, 20, 10. This is one logic. Logic we did. One more logic also we can do. X is equal to x plus y, y is equal to x minus y. This already you learned in C language. That is by using 3 variables. Now I am using 2 variables only. X is equal to x minus y again. This is another logic. You execute this. See, 10, 20. I got 10, 20, 20, 10. This is the third logic. Fourth logic. Our excellent explanation. Right? Done. Right? Done. Next, right? Done. Also done. Do you know the best logic? Best logic is with the binary operation. Directly we do with the binary operations. Now say 10 and then 20. Now I got the result 10, 20, 20, 10. Very good. Kaushal. Yes, ma. Done. Directly posting the program directly. Very nice. Done, ma. Take this program. Take this program. Swapping logic by using XOR operator. XOR operator. Swapping logic by using XOR operator. Yes, ma. Rajesh Rock. Today's class is awesome. Okay, everyday class is awesome. Ma. Everyday class is awesome only. Everyday class is like that only. Yes, ma. I will open it, ma. Srikanth. Let them write, ma. I will open it. Just wait, ma. I will. Bhagya Shruti. We will write, ma. Logical operator program also. I am remembering that. I am remembering, ma. I will think as a faculty. I will think that how my student will think. First, I will think like that. Then I will come to my position. I don't think only like a faculty. First, I will think like you. What you will expect that I know first. So I am remembering that, ma. Don't worry. Yes, ma. I am remembering negative number, binary representation, logical operators program. I am remembering. I will tell you that. Chinni, we get ma ORD, ASC, sort, sum, max. We have some generalized functions are there which is applicable on everything. We will tell you that. We have special discussion on it. We are just coming to only, you are just coming to only our Python, these things ma. Yes. We are just coming to operators level. We are going to further. I will make you to enter into the database communication level, regular expressions. That is very, very interesting. It's like a real-time project doing. Like that, you will get it. Yes, ma. Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Suresh, thank you. Yes, ma'am. Next, let us go to the next operator. Next operator. Is it finished? Finished. Next operator once again. One more operator, I will take it. Yes, ma'am. Magya Reddy. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. So I am your inspiration. But you read my entire knowledge. If you get the job, then I feel that my students are excellent. Right. Come to the point. Prashanti. Prashanti. We will see, ma. Let us. We are going to be. We will go to PyCharm also. We go to PyCharm also. See, we go for debugging when some type of error kind of things are there. We go for that. We go for that. I will explain debugging process. We do it. We do it, ma. Right. Let us go to next one. Which operator next, ma? Move to the operators window. Where is my operators window? You go to that place. Operators. Right. Next operator I will take it. XOR operator we understand. It is a little difficult, no? That's why we entered first. AND operator. Dead easy. Dead easy. Write down now third operator. Third operator. AND operator. Okay, ma. Srikanth, I will open command prompt, ma. Once I will open command. You asked me, open the command prompt. Yes, this is a command prompt. Srikanth, see ma, quickly. Okay, first onwards you want to open, simple, ma. First onwards you open means like this. Just, ma, for one of our student is asking so many times. You have to come to search button, ma. Search button. Search button is there, na? There you need to type CMD. CMD. It will open. CMD means it will open like this. You need to press enter key. F colon. In my project is there in F colon. CD. Python hyphen KVR. My batch name. Batch. Again I have in operators. Operators is my topic name. Operators. OPRATORS. Operators. Now I have the program in that. What is my program name? Here it is called what? Swap value.py. No, ma. King. No formula for XOR, ma. King. No formula for that. Are you understanding, ma? Right. Srikanth, is it okay, ma? Because you asked the command prompt means you are in the beginning stage. Srikanth, are you okay? Suresh, 1 minute, ma. Come on, ma, all of you. Srikanth, are you okay? Okay, ma. Right. Suresh, Edit Plus, you want to install, go to this place. I hope that you people installed it. You go to that place and say Edit Plus here, Edit Plus, 1 minute. You say Edit Plus, free downloadable, Edit Plus of 5, freely downloadable. You click on that, you can download editplus.org, free trial you download. Yes. Okay, Suresh, is it okay, ma? Click on that, it will be downloaded. Take care. Coming to the operator. AND operator, I am coming to that. Now there also syntax. Look at ma, syntax. I am going for syntax. What is the syntax, please? See, I will take the syntax here. And concept also I will take it. And you will understand very quickly. Truth table also I will take it. Then just I will take it and I will modify. Easy. You are already understand XOR, na? It is easy. AND operator, syntax is very, very simple. There, RS is equal to, there I will say ampersand, single ampersand. Done. What is that? Similar bits of VAR1 and VAR2. Similar bits of VAR1, or I will write like this. I will write the concept. If both the bits of VAR1 and VAR2 is one, then result is one. Result is one. Otherwise, result is true. I will write if any one of if any bits of or otherwise, simply I will write otherwise. This is a more meaningful. Otherwise, result is 0. Result is 0. Now come on. Now I will take truth table for A and D. Operator is called symbol. I will write symbol. Come on here. Variable 1. You need to write this symbol. Start. 0, 0. First one. All of you. 0, 0. Everybody, I want to see everybody. 0, 0. Please, ma. Both the bits of VAR1 and VAR2 is 1, then the result is 1. 0, 0 is what? 0, 0 is 0. Next, 1, 1. 1, 1. What is the result? Also 0. Next, 0, 1. 0, 1. What is the result? 0. Last, what is that? 1, 1. 1, 1. Yes, that is called 1. That is called 1. Akila, why you are typing 111? Huh? So many times you typed it. So I think fully involved with Python. Right, very good. Example I am going for. Example. Come on to the point. Example. Take directly A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. Come on to the point. What is this? 0, 1, 0, 0. What is the value of 3? What is the value of 3? So what is that? 0, 0, 1 and 1. Now I will write C is equal to A ampersand of B. What is the result, please? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Result is what? 0. What is the result? 0. Print of what? C. Print of C. That is called 0 is the result. 0 is the result. Come on to the point back and check it out. This place. Print of. Directly you can write if you want. A is equal to 4. B is equal to 3. C is equal to A ampersand of B. A ampersand of B. Now you see, and just let me take it up. Print of C. See the result here. 0. 0. Print of directly they will give you 14 ampersand of 15. 14 ampersand of 15. 14. 1, 1, 1, 0. And this one is called what? 15. 1, 1, 1, 1. All 4 ones. What is that now? 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What is that? 1, 1, 1, 0. That is called 14. See the answer 14. Is it clear? Clear or not clear? Yes. Yes. Write down. Take it, ma. Easy. AND operator. Bitwise AND operator. will come down. Right, Amma, make it fast. So AND operation can be used to perform which operation, Amma? AND operation is used to perform which operation? Intersection operation. Do you remember or not? Intersection on sets. So when I come back to tomorrow class, I will talk about the intersection operator. Intersection operator. So one more example, Akila want, I will write it. Print directly, print 14 and 15. So the result is what? Result is called 14. You want the 14 value 1110 ampersand of 1111. Yes, ma. You want to apply? The answer is going to be called what? 110, which is called 14 is the result. 14 is the result. Akila, happy? Happy, sir. Okay. You can also write that simple thing, na? You can also write it. Okay, very good. Right, ma, Ravi Kumar. Thank you, ma. Union operation is there. Tomorrow when I come back, I will explain AND operator, this AND operator with intersection of sets. I already used these operators in the intersection. I will tell you tomorrow class how it is working. OR operator union, I will tell you tomorrow class. Okay, na? Don't worry. Tomorrow class when I come back, I will continue. So up to here, whatever is done, I will upload in the class. Okay, right. Wait for a few more days. I will start Django also. T.S. Gupta. Wait few more days. I'll start Django also.